Hello everybody and welcome back to Caldera Creative Creation. My name is Roxana and I am so happy to be here to introduce you to another easy to make spring wreath. We are working with the 18-inch grapevine wreath. We also got these beautiful geraniums. We got a bigger one. We also got some of these little greenery with some little florals. We also are working with some beautiful ivory. We got some floral wire, which we're going to make two pieces, needing two pieces. And we are working with this beautiful 59-inch ribbon. So with that said, let's scoot these guys over and let's get this started. Okay, everybody, we are just going to make a little tiny, like 7-inch tail. And we are going to make our little 12-inch loop. We're going to get the loop on in here. Okay, we got this. Then we're going to get our wiring. Okay, look at it. Get the wiring. Get that. Put it together like this, and let's just twist it. Twist it. There we go. Ay, ay, ay. There we go. Look at that. Okay, we got one down. Get this up here. We are going to insert it in a part in here. Okay, so we're going to take this. Get it in here like that. Make sure you get it on there firm. There. Right there. How's that? Look at, and fix your little tail. Okay, then we're going to come down a little bit. Like this. Let me fix the ribbon so the pattern will go good. We're going to come down a little bit and we are going to make another loop. Keep kind of puff some up. And another 12-inch loop. It doesn't matter how size you want it. There you go. Right here. I think we're going to put this one right here. There we go. Then we're going to take our ribbon. We are going to get this on and get it tight on there. Wrap it on. Twist it on. I'm going to pin this up in here again. Just weave it through a piece of your wreath and voila. There we go. Yesterday I went to Joann's and I found these beautiful geraniums. You know, they look so real. Okay, look at, and now we are working like this. How they look just so real. I mean, they're so beautiful. We are gonna work these. Wait, hold up on the geranium. Excuse me. Ooh, I'm just so excited. Okay, we are gonna weave our greenery up in here. Let's get some on top. Ay, ay, ay. Here, look at that, and then just work our way down. Get that going right here. Ooh, look at, I'm gonna get some more. I got these also at Joann's. They're having the 40% off still. And I got these all in a bunch. Oh, these florals today. Except the big one, but like I said, you know, garage selling flea markets, you find a lot of extras. Unique ribbons. There we go. Look at that. Now we're gonna go get with these geraniums. Okay. The first one is we're gonna work these guys up in here. Just work with your ribbon and insert that guy going here. Wow, look at that. And we're gonna get more. Gonna put some out this way. So we'll go zoom down here. We're gonna stick these guys out right here. Ooh, look at that. And we're gonna get some more. Let's get some of this green in here. Look at how realistic they look. Gonna get this one. What's this? Why? There, put it right here. Wow, uh-oh, this kind of came off, boing. Well, here's some more greenery. Let's put this right here. There we go. Let's get another one right up in here. I think we're going to put this right up here, get more coloring right here. We got the big one going, so we got to remember that. Got the big one going right here. Then we're going to get this big guy up in here. Let's show you. Stuff this guy up in it. There we go. There. Wow, look at that. Straighten out these bows. There we go. Got that, got that, got that. Woo, look at that. Just with the colors and everything, it just comes out. Okay, let's get some of these beauties. Let's get these working on in here. I think we'll get some. Step back here and visualize and see what we got working with. And let's get back to visualizing and balance your items out and you will come up with a beauty. This is going to be a special wreath like always because you made it. Yes, indeed. Look at, woo. I just love these. These flowers are so beautiful. Woo, look at that. Oh my. Let me see. I think I'm going to work some there. Get some down here and wow, look at this, everybody, what we made today. Ooh, look at that. Working with different ribbons, different colors, different textures, visualizing, and you will come out with a beauty. Spectacular one. So with that said, let me put this beauty up here so we can all see what we made today. And let me step back and see what's going on up in here. Ooh, look at that, everybody. Wow. Okay, look at that. Wow. Just use your imagination. Go wild with colors, experiment with colors, and you'll come out with the beauty and just have fun making your wreath. Until the next video, I think we might be getting into some St. Patrick's Day wreaths. So until the next video, everybody, let's get that smile on and have a wonderful day. And thanks for watching, like and share. And if you got any inspiration or just enjoyed my videos, subscribe and you will be helping out my channel a lot. With that much thanks, see ya.